learn to with joy, know thyself. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning to all. Hello my dear students and honorable guardians, well wishers, those who are watching with us everybody. At first, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. This is Rafiqul Islam. Beginning of my lecture, welcome to Bakulia High School online class. Today, I am delivering my speech and this topic's name, how do you get easy full mark unseen faces for fill in the blanks. You know, this topic is very easy. I am explaining some words relates to fill in the blanks. First of all, who indicates the person. When indicates the time, year, month, date. Where it expresses place or site for. Name of the events, activities. Contribution, great work. Die, it means that pass away. Reward, award or prize. I hope that my dear student understood in this indicate word. Got it, my dear student? Okay. At this time, I am explaining important unseen passages, and this passage about to John Milton. According to literary theory, John Milton was renowned to romantic poet, and he was one of the most famous poets in English literature. Got it, my dear student? Okay. Let's start in this passage. John Milton was one of the famous poets in English literature. He was born on December 9, 1608 in London. 1608 in London. At the age of 17, he went to Cambridge University for a study, and we have to add he was born 1608 and at the age of 17, that means 1625, he went to Cambridge University for a study. Okay, and after 7 years of a study, he took MA degree from that university. That means duration of year before we got 1625, and to add that after 7 years, total 1632, he has obtained MA degree from that university. MA, that means Masters of Arts. Okay. In 1638, he started his foreign tour. It means that he went to visiting foreign tour. In 1640, he married Mary Powell, a young girl of 17. Mary Powell, a young girl of 17. But his wife died in 1652, leaving with 3 daughters. unfortunately his first wife has died, remaining with 3 daughters. Then so he married second time in 1652. So he married second time in 1656. After he has died first wife, and but 2 years after this second wife also died. Unfortunately, John Milton's second wife also died. Okay. Of all his works, Paradise Lost, the greatest. According to literary theory, Paradise Lost is a one kind of epic. Do you know what is the meaning by epic, my dear student? According to literature, epic means that the long narrative poem. So Paradise Lost is one of the famous epic, the famous poets in English literature, John Milton. Okay. At the end, he finished composing this epic in 1664. But it was published 3 years later. Finally, at the age of 66, he died on November 8, 1674. I am again saying that at the age of 66, he died on November 8, 1674. I have explained in this passage, my dear students. I hope that you have understood in this passage and follow two passages at this time. I have to using these methods and to see it, fill in the blanks. First of all, we have to discuss unseen passage headings. Who or what, first column, event, activity, second column, and third column, when. Before my lecture, I have explained the headings of words. Okay. First column, John Milton, event, activity in 1625. Dear student, John Milton in 1625, we see that he went to Cambridge University. He went to Cambridge University. Cambridge University. See. Okay, second column. He obtained MA degree, duration of time 1632. 1632. Okay, got it, my dear student. And third column, we see his second wife died. About this passage, his first wife has died in 1652 and he also married second time in 1656. So we got his second wife died 1656. Third column, we see that his second wife died also Duration of time 1658. 1658. Okay. And number 4, who or what was published 1667. Okay, we can see in the passage 1667 also published the famous epic Paradise Lost. The famous epic Paradise Lost. At the end of column, we see event activity, epic of John Milton. Hope that you have understood in this passage and fill in the blanks. Okay. Next time you can see about the unseen passage. Most important scientists like that Stephen Hawking, Albert Einstein, and Bengali poet like that Begum Rokeya Jibananand Das, and the novelist Humayun Ahmed. Those passages is very important. You can see the previous board question. At the end of my lecture, the present situation of the world, prevention is better than cure, safety is fast, stay alive and stay live. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.